Hello everyone and welcome to the video tutorial on how you can add fonts in Google Docs. This is Sabine from Create, Login and Delete, and without further ado, let's jump into our topic. So Google Docs uses Arial font as its default font. Now in order to add fonts, what you can do is simply go to this icon right here. There are plenty of fonts to use right here in the list, but if you want more fonts, then simply go to more fonts. Google Docs does not let your customized font to be included inside the Google Docs, but these are the extra fonts that you can use. These are pretty cool actually. And if you want to choose a specific font, then you can just sort out by using these options right here. Click on display, then all the display fonts will be used. Sort by popularity if you want to sort it by alphabetical or trending, date added, right? So there are many fonts that can be used inside Google Docs. So let me click on this right here, the lobster one, click on OK, and then the font that you just chose has been added to the list. So that's it. That's how you add fonts in Google Docs. It's pretty simple. And now don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.